Now available for sale are intelligent battery charger and stabilised power supply unit. We're going to go through some of the options on this stabilised power supply unit and intelligent battery charger. Now we're connected to the positive terminal on the battery and an earth on the vehicle. The default option on here is charge. So fairly standard charging process. This is intelligent though. Built-in microcontroller gives you live data feedback. We can see in the top corner we're getting the actual battery voltage in real time, currently showing 12.8 volts. Underneath that we can see the options for charging. We're currently set to 12 volts, that's flashing. If we want to adjust that we can with the settings on the screen, but for this Ford Ranger we're using a normal 12 volt battery. If you've got a heavy commercial vehicle or something running a 24 volt system, you can see it does support 24 volts as well, so really versatile tool. For charging, we're going to go with 12 volts on this vehicle, and we're then going to move across to the next option, which is the battery type. So standard is for the standard vehicle battery. This does support a wide range of batteries, and it's always best check the website to see the full product details. We're going to go with the standard one on here and then move across to the amperage. Now you can choose how quickly you wish to charge the vehicle by choosing a higher amperage. This goes up to 30 amps. Now the beautiful thing about this is it supports again a huge range of vehicles. You can choose the ampage that suits your vehicle and needs. But we can cycle through the options and we can change it from 5 amps up to 30. The higher the ampage, basically the stronger it's going to be at charging, it's going to charge quicker. When we're ready to go, we just press the little enter button and it gives us again live data on there. So it gives us a battery percentage, it tells us the current pulses of voltage going through, and it tells you the amperage on there as well. So at the moment it's charging at 14.4 volts into the battery up to 5.2 amps. So that again, the intelligent microcontroller in there is detecting the feedback from the battery, all its various sensors inside and its settings, and has optimized it with that pulse of amperage and voltage into the battery. We're going to jump now into the stabilised power supply unit, and this is really key and crucial for any vehicle tuners out there, if you're doing ECU or TCU remapping. So let's jump into that now. We're going to stop the charging, pressing the enter key, and you can see we're on charge on the screen. We're going to press the up arrow to move to supply. Now again, supply, we can choose the options that we're looking for. Now typically for reading and writing to an ECU or to a transmission control unit or a software update with a diagnostic tool, we're looking for between sort of 12.7 to 13.5 volts. That's the ideal sort of amperage. So you can see now we're on supply and it's showing on the screen 13.4 volts and up to 30 amps. It's also given us our live reading again from the battery, 13.1 volts at this point because we've just been charging it. When you're communicating with a vehicle, you're looking for ideally around that 13 volt point. Anything above 13.5 may interrupt the communication, especially with tuning tools. They may protect the ECU, it might get signal back from them that the voltage is too high and it stops you from reading and writing. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust our voltage and we're just going to cycle through, goes all the way up to 14.9 and then it cycles down to 12. So we'll just click through there to get us up to 13 volts. That nice middle ground for doing any sort of software updates or vehicle tuning remapping. And that's it, our 13 volts is ready. Press enter and we're now giving a live supply, stable supply to the vehicle. So we can see we're hovering at 13.1 and the amperage is down at 1.3. It will compensate up to 30 amps. So again, brilliant for any reading or writing work you're doing to a vehicle, any tuning work. It may even be a software update. You're upgrading the software with the tool to the latest version ready to tune it. This is what you need. This is the stable supply. So when you cycle the ignition on and off and the voltage and the amperage adjusts for all the systems on the car powering up and powering down, this is going to keep our voltage and amperage nice and stable, giving you peace of mind for reading and writing. With a wide range of batteries supported, both 12 and 24 volt, supplying normal vehicles and heavy commercial vehicles, built-in intelligent protection for overheating and for overcharging of the battery. This intelligent battery charger and intelligent stabilised power supply unit is the must-have charging and supply unit for any ECU tuner, vehicle tuner, gearbox tuner, service station, workshop technician. If you're working on a car and you need to provide power to the vehicle whilst you're performing any work on there, this is the go-to unit for you. Check out the website for full details and specification. Get one of these while you can to make sure that your tuning or ECU diagnostic work or even software update work is stable and securely backed up with a stable intelligent power supply unit and charging device.